my husband Nick. We're here visiting the Hotel Mousai for the second time from St. George, Utah. What can I say about this place? Everything about it's perfect. From the food to the service to the rooftop pool. Everything about this place has been fabulous. It just made us want to keep on coming back. There is literally no other place we'd rather be on vacation but the Hotel Mousai. As you can see, the view is unmatched. We have traveled a lot and we have not found a gem quite as great as the Hotel Mousai. We've told all of our friends and family to come here, and I promise you, if you come to the Hotel Mousai, you will literally travel nowhere else. I mean, this is 5-star diamond service here from the second you get here till the time you leave. And shout out to our beautiful Fabiola. We loved her. She took such good care of us. And Mel, Ivan, Carlos, we love them so much. So you guys keep up the great work and we'll see you soon. Thank you so much. Love Hotel Mousai.